The words spilled out my mouth like a waterfall. I love you, I love you. But the pressure was too much for you. You couldn't handle it. No, no, no. Every repeated statement pushed you further down and farther away from me. Farther away from me. I can't feel you. I can't see you. I can't feel you. I can't hear you. The words spilled out my mouth like a waterfall. I love you, I love you. But the pressure was too much for you. You couldn't handle it. No, no, no. I loved you too hard. My confession push you under. Push you under. Now the tears, they fall and run over the hills, the mountains, the hills, the mountains. I can't feel you, I can't see you, I can't feel you, I can't hear you, no. I can't feel you, I can't see you, I can't feel you, I can't hear you, no. You can't say that I didn't try. I suffered, pushed my feelings down, deep down. I had to say it. I'm so sorry. It was the only way. The roaring in my ears would stop. Just stop. Please stop. I can't feel you. I can't see you. I can't feel you. I can't hear you. No.